This video will show you how to attach and install a triple action SRD connector on a full body harness. Locate the push pin release button and the secondary release button. Depress both buttons at the same time to deactivate and release the lock, then pull the locking bar. The red locking indicator will be visible while the lock is deactivated. Push locking bar until locking indicator is no longer visible to activate dual locking mechanism. Adjust D-ring or O-ring to make webbing of straps visible. Loosen webbing to make room for the triple action SRD connector. Pinch both back straps together. After you have installed your SRD on the deactivated connector, insert locking bar, then push to activate. Dual locking mechanism is activated when red locking indicator is no longer visible. Tighten loose webbing around straps for a secure and firm fit. You can now don your harness. You have successfully attached and installed a triple action SRD connector on a full body harness.